How to book a hotel room on booking.com. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. Well, you can book a room directly from the booking.com site. So head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for booking.com and wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this official page of booking.com. Once you're in here, you have to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been signed into your account, it will open up this page. Now over here you can see it says around current location. Click on it. Search for the specific location that you want to search for the hotel, or you can also search for the hotel that you want to book. Let me search for the location for now. Now you have to select the date in which you want to book the hotel. Once you have selected, tap on Done at the bottom. Now wait for a while. Now you can see tons of different hotels located in the location that you have searched for. From here, choose any of the specific hotel that you want to book a room. Let me click on this one. It will show you all the detailed information about the hotel. Scroll all the way down. You will be able to see the option where it says Reserve. All you want to do is click on it. You can also select the number of the guest. After that, what you want to do is scroll down and then click on Next Step. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, once you can scroll all the way down, and over here in this section, you have to enter your detailed information. Once you have entered all the detailed information, scroll all the way down and then tap on Final Step. After that, you have to follow the on-screen process. After that, your hotel room will be booked successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can book a hotel room on booking.com. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.